Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You are watching from Nisha's View and we're on the fashion side. And today I am doing one of the things that I really love to do, and that is taking inspiration from Pinterest and applying it to the things that are already in my closet. So today's Pinterest inspiration or Pinterest styled looks are denim shorts. Denim shorts. So stay tuned. We're going to get into the first look right now. All right, so first up, when I seen this picture, now, as you all know, if you've been following me, I always start from the bottom up. So I always look at the shoes, then I work my outfits around the shoe. So I seen this picture. I will be putting up the picture of the inspiration, and then I'll go through, another frame would be me trying on the inspiration, or my interpretation of the inspiration. All right, so I seen this picture and I was like, okay, yeah, I have some black strappy, not really strappy, but they do have a strap on them. I have those shoes. I don't have any black denim shorts, but I can make some. I got some scissors. Yeah, I got some scissors so we can cut some pants. We can cut some, I got these pants from Free People, but I just cut them. They were jeans. I just cut them and made them into shorts. And then I have a black, button down shirt. Okay, a lot of this stuff is very old, but the shoes are from Steve Madden. I got these are probably about 10 years old. So I was like, okay, this will work. These will definitely work. So that's what I did here. Now the shorts. These shorts, like I said, are from Free People, and they were actually barrel leg jeans. And so I was just like, you know what? I don't wear these a lot anymore. So let me just cut them. I cut them. I cut them and made some shorts. So see, you don't really necessarily have to go out and buy some denim shorts. You have things in your closet that you are not wearing that you can cut off and make some jeans. So that's what I did here, is just cut those jeans off. And then the shirt is, I think I got this I thrifted this shirt years ago, years ago. Right, so now I'm always gonna give you a complete look. So I'm gonna give you some shades, I'm gonna give you a purse. So the shades, the sunnies are Janae Naylor. Well, 12 p.m. Studios, okay? 12 p.m. Studios is her new branding company, and I mean, no one else could do sunnies like Janae. When you see Janae, you see sunnies first, because she's always looking good and fabulous in her glasses, in her sunglasses, her shades. So I had to get these are called the London Brown. I got the London Brown and I got the London Blue. So, and they are the perfect indoor outdoor shade. And I love that. I love me an indoor outdoor. And then the purse, of course, is Brandon Blackwood. And yeah, so this is the completed look. So, how'd I do? I think I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Now with this look, you can always dress it down. You can put on some sneakers with this. You can put on some loafers with this. It is just a very versatile look that you can do. Black top, black bottom. All right, look number 2. Of course, the jeans. She has on cutoff jeans. She has on a denim shirt, and it has like puff sleeves. And then of course she has on some platforms, and she has a purse. I was like, yeah, I know I got things in my closet for this. So for sure, the shoes, the platforms are from Sam Edelman's, and I got these the last year, but hopefully I'll be able to find them and then link them for you guys. Surprisingly, they are very comfortable. They are very high. The platform on these buddies are really high, but it works. So those are the shoes that I went with. Now the jeans again are well, the shorts were jeans that I just cut off and made them into shorts. And then the shirt is from Zara. It is 2 years old, I want to say. So I'm pretty sure, of course it's not on the site. So, but if I can find another denim shirt with puffy sleeves, then I'll definitely link it below for you. And yeah, so this is the look, the finished look. Well, not the finished look, but this is semi-finished. This is about 95% finished because, like I said, I give you everything. So I think this turned out pretty good right here. Of course, I'm gonna add in the sunnies again, 12 p.m. Studios. And then the purse is, of course, Brandon Blackwood. And yeah, that is the completed look. A little denim on denim. I think I did pretty good. With the matchup. So yeah, so that is look number 2. And again, you could dress this down. You could dress it down again with some sneakers, with some loafers, with some sandals, flat sandals, if that's your thing. You can do that with this look as well. So very easy, very versatile for you to do. And you have these things in your closet. I'm sure you do. All right, so look number 3. Okay, so look number 3. Look number 3, and this is the final look, is she has on like a grayish color muscle shirt that looks like it has shoulder pads in it. And of course she has on her denim cutoff jeans, and she has on some sandals. Looks like they may be clear type of sandals, and of course her purse. So I'm like, okay, well, I know I don't have a gray muscle shirt, but I do have a white one and I have a black one. So let's do the white one because I just did a look in the black one. I went with the white muscle shirt. So to start off with the shoes, I got these from the Outnet maybe 3 years ago. So I'm pretty sure I won't be able to find them, but I'll try to find something similar. They are Chloe's. Very comfortable. Surprisingly, these are comfortable too. I was shocked. But yeah, they are comfortable. And the jeans, the denim shorts were jeans that I repurposed. I thrifted these Levi's last year, and I've been wearing them nonstop. I love them. Now, how I did the fraying on these is just that I cut them and then I frayed. So I pull the thread around them and then I put them in the wash. So I washed them twice actually. So I washed them, took them out, dried them, took them out, frayed them again, did another fraying with just a knife, not a knife, but a scissors, just with the scissors, the sharp end of the scissors, just, frayed it, put it back in the wash, put it in the dryer, and this is what it came out to be. So yeah, very, very good there with that. And then, like I said, the muscle shirt is from the Frankie shop, and it does have shoulder pads in it. So yeah, so this is the look with everything. And of course, I'm gonna give you the whole look. I gotta add you gotta add the sunnies, right? You gotta add the sunnies, you gotta add the purse. The London blue really is that perfect indoor outdoor. There's hardly any blue tint there, but you can tell there's blue tint there. It's just so good. It's just so good. So I went with the London blue, and then this purse is actually my mom's. I got it for her for Mother's Day. She never wore the purse. You
ain't gonna wear the purse.
I'm gonna wear the purse. Okay, just give me the purse. Just let me have it because you ain't wearing it. So yeah, so the purse is really nice too. Really nice leather. I got it from TJ Maxx. Maybe last Mother's Day? Not this past Mother's Day, but the Mother's Day before. But yeah, she never wore the purse. It just hung up in a closet. So yeah, I took it. So yeah, so that is the completed look, guys. And again, you could dress this look down some more. You could, really put some sneakers on You could put some some flatter shoes on, maybe like some loafers or something like that. You could do some slides with these. I mean, it's endless. These particular outfits and inspirations that I try to give to you all are things that you could easily do and replicate, but not just replicate like bit for bit. Just take a little bit of this and a little bit of that and make it your own, right? Make it your own. So, yep, so that is basically it for today and all that I wanted to share. I just wanted to get this little, give you a little bit more summer inspiration since it's still so hot. It is still burning up outside. So if you've made it this far, you may as well go on and hit that subscribe button, okay? Go ahead and hit it. And then, tell me in the comments, make some comments below which look you like, which are you going to try, because these are easy. They're easy to do, real easy. And you have the stuff. You have the things in your closet already, I am quite sure. And then hit that like and share button if your heart so desires. So until next time, I'll talk to you then.
Thanks for watching my chic channel. Period.